Hello everyone, I'm Baptiste. I'm gonna learn you how to do an autoclicker using AutoHotkey. It's quite easy, and let's go. We're going to start by doing an AutoHotkey file. So you can call it like, I don't know, autoclicker.ahk. It's the extension for AutoHotkey. What we're going to do first is to put the warn. It's like when there's an error, you get like a message from AutoHotkey which says what the error is, and what we want to is that it is only launched once, that you don't launch it like a bunch of times. Only one version is launched. So for starting, we are going to choose our macro type of thing. What I use is Control Alt and M to use it. So we're going to write it. It's Control Alt and M like this, and you put double dots right there. So this is the one we are going to use to launch it. What I'm going to do is create also how it's called, a function to simulate a click, and it's going to be like that. Then what we want to do is to send the key. So what we are going to do is to send something. I'm going to put the key here, like key is equal to click. Oops. But what I want that to be a right click. So to do a right click, we just have to do something like that. But to get a left one, you can do it like that, but you don't need to do that like that because the click value is as default left. Yeah, I want a right one. Then I do send key. You can do something like that, but the thing is that it would just send it once. To send it a bunch of times, you have to use set timer and put in the function that we created with the ms, like the period. I put 1, so it's very fast. And now normally it works, but now if I launch it, it would just launch it, and as it's a click, it's very annoying if you launch it just like that, because it can do a lot of wrong things. So to make it possible to toggle it, we're going to use a pause thing. So how to do it is we're going to create a function, a variable pause, like that, and we're going to say true because when we launch it, we want it to be true, that it's not launched and not that it's launched directly a click. So if it's paused, we want it to do this. Like, I know it's very strange, but you're gonna see why now, because I'm going at the end, like I launched macro. I want that the macro gets disabled at some time by doing global pose, like to take this one and make it that it's not posed, like that. After that, I'm going to do else. It's going to pose with the variable pose, like pose 1 or pose 0, or pose true or false. And now, if it is not posed, send the key and return. Else it would just return. And now we have our macro, and we can already try it by just launching it. How to launch it? Normally, I guess you can just do that. Yeah, with the extension which is called AutoHotkey v2 language support. Also, what you would need is to install AutoHotkey v2 because it's a v2 I'm using. And now normally it would work. I'm gonna show it with an example of a game which is called Tap Ninja.